punch count. So Canelo can't start off short and slow because...
Left hand off the top of the head from Alvarez.
There's that right on the guards. He had a little difficult time with Caleb Plant. He finally found a home for the right hand to the gut. To the right
because
side.
Of the sheer volume of punches, jab specifically, that Kovalev was throwing.
And look at him throwing more frequently here.
Better fundamentals and foundation than Kovalev. And the strength of that right hand.
There's a 1-2.
That's why you got to be content with just touching those gloves. Take what you can.
Alvarez against Callum Smith constantly hit his arms. Do you think caught the chin a little bit for Canelo?
Canelo starts loading up. Even if you block those shots, they're still going to happen.
No, don't push him. Don't push him.
And this is what he has to make it uncomfortable for Canelo.
Swing and a miss with the left.
Going around the guard. That one pierced the left hand. And Bebo comes right back with 3 or 4 punches of his accustomed to seeing his Canelo take a back step. There's that right hand to the body.
But you can see when Bebo throws the 1-2s like this, he is scoring.
And you could, excuse me, Daniel. Power behind him, they're still having an effect.
Yeah, Sergio, too, but he's stepping back with his hands up, which is a good thing. You know, as the last fight we've seen,
and that's why Bebo's going to be such a...
Get a flurry from Bebo.
He's going to have a harder time doing it with Bebo because look, loading up on punches as well.
Canelo, the way that Bebo has.
Canelo, like we're... Nice uppercut lands right there. Look, he can't find something going on the left side. He comes around the guard. Bebo coming back.
Not much tonight, doesn't he?
Absolutely, but I'm wondering when we're going to see the power of Bebo. As of now,
Bebo's not much of a body puncher, but it's that right hand right there that does enough work letting Canelo plant his feet. Staying off the ropes, just like that.
Canelo sits down.
Canelo's been all power shots this fight.
Here's that big right uppercut that landed by Canelo Alvarez, but was it enough to sway those punches right there that leave a lasting impression on the judges?
Last round it was Bebo who was coming forward. There's a right hand again, the uppercut.
Hooks, overhand rights being landed by Canelo.
Oh, look at Bebo. Look at him go. Oh, my word.
Bebo's demeanor to me seems as if he's just trying to weather the storm right now in this fight.
Another good jab.
Bebo he was able to let his hands go, punches and bunches.
There's one.
Dmytro Vibol with the jab. I didn't expect this many combinations, and really the...
Looking to set this right hand up.
Came around the guard with a left hook right there. I love the punch. Jab to the chin, but look at the intelligent punching right there.
He is.
I see the same thing, and I might even...
Let's take a look at our copy box.
Aiming at the arm, the left arm of Bebo now. It's readying him. That's exactly the game plan that Canelo...
Do you think this strategy would work against Canelo?
He's been landing most of the shots, and he's a busier guy.
Is this...
Exactly. See, he's blocking every punch. Look, he landed like 4 punches.
He's hitting it 4 times in a row. See, Canelo's doing nothing.
No, man, I agree.
One thing I've noticed too.
Bebo looks much better, at least physically right now.
Trying to find an opening, coming around the guard, but look, that's what Bebo does so effective. Catch and counter.
Both of you said, hey, this could be tied. Maybe Bebo about around. There's something that probably
punches than really anyone I've seen since Gennady Golovkin back in 2000.
I think Bebo is really pulling it off here between Canelo from throwing. So Canelo...
Look at that left hook from Bebo, who's now pushing forward.
Canelo missed.
Right hand. And he has risen to the occasion thus far.
Let him go. Stop.
Canelo, you can see
in that corner the last 3 rounds of Canelo as well, jumping off that stool, trying to liven his legs up. history proves that it's hard.
Let's check in with Chris Mannix.
Score for. His punches are off and clean, but Dmitry Bibol's defense whelming Canelo with the sheer volume of his punches. This is just an incredibly difficult fight Canelo's in. He has it to get to Dmitry Bibol.
But Bibol has found a way to get to like this.
Bibol is a natural light heavyweight, so guarding, putting his earmuff defense in is good enough for him because he's not
For Alvarez.
at this point landed, but Canelo's definitely punching more and punching at the guard of Bibol, which is what he's going to have to do.
Having the performance.
Working, pulls out with his footwork, so with that jab.
We asked Bibol during the fighter meetings, do you think, and look at the punches through round 9, my word, 110 to 60.
Punches is good to look good defensively.
I mean, it benefits him to keep his feet on ignition with good footwork like Bibol. You're going to have to step up your language. Right here, you see him trying to load up with that punch, comes back, gets countered.
We are seeing some major fatigue here from Canelo. We see putting on and him obviously coming up in weight class. But
right hand scores for Bibol.
Dave Moretti, Steve Weisfeld, who I consider the gold standard when it comes to
Canelo Альварес. That's a great Floyd Mayweather Jr. fight. He did and always staying in control, not giving up control.
Yeah, he's frustrated.
And a strategy and discipline, which is Bibol has been doing this entire fight.
Bibol can knock out Alvarez. It appears he might be going for it. So here's Bibol chasing down Canelo, who got underneath and went on.
Not take any more chances. He did exactly what he.
And that's the way we're seeing the fight, but who knows what the judges are seeing in the 12th round. Bruising body attack here for Canelo. Was Bibol just too big?
But, you know, I thought Canelo could have won the champion of the world.
A minute to go. Canelo. Jabs from Bibol.
The best. He might have bit off too much than he could chew here tonight.
Canelo Альварес was a big favorite in the biggest fight, have just beaten the pound for pound king. Canelo celebrating as if he won, Daniel.
What you signed up for. You came, you worked hard.
But he had a great game plan. He stayed strong.
1,800, you put down 100, you win 1,800. Is a draw in play here, perhaps?
He's still undefeated and still the WWE heavyweight champion of the world, Dmitry Wibol.
He has done it. Not many believed in him. He believed in himself, pulled off the performance of the lifetime, and beat a man that will go down as one of the greatest fighters ever.
You've been waiting a long time for an opportunity like this. You can feel my arm. He but not my hand. It's better. Yeah, my arm. Hurt my arm. I can. He has a good speed. He maybe his mistake. He
seen that from Canelo opponents in the past.
But I expected that. I watched his. After hard punches, he relaxed.